Hello, hello. Hello everybody, we're alive. Kumusta po kayo? Good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. It's me, David, and we are live from... May train pa na dumaan. We are live from Mita. Actually, nanggaling po ako sa isa sa mga main office namin dito sa May Tokyo. So, ngayon papunta na ulit ako sa isang school. So, alam niyo naman, whenever I have my walks like this, I just do this live. In order for me to, this live is intended for me to be able to share this amazing business that we have right now and this amazing opportunity while practicing and learning how to become a successful entrepreneur. Ang ginagawa po natin dito ay dinidevelop po natin ang ating sarili through personal development. So that is the aim and the intention of my live stream. Para po ma-inform kayong mga tao yung mga interesado pong tao na magkaroon ng sarili nilang negosyo. Upo muna po tayo dito sa may... Let's just sit down first here in this bench. Kumusta po kayo? Hi, it's our Halloween week po ngayon, and as you can see, lumalamig na sa Japan. Medyo malamig na po ngayon. Ang jacket weather na po ngayon dito sa Japan, and yun lang, let's go straight away. Tama ng daldal. So, ang topic po na i-discuss natin for today is all about adaptability. Adapting to change. Ano ba yung adapting to change sa Tagalog? Adapting to change is yung kakayahan nyo mag-adjust. Kasi po, lahat po tayo, hindi lang naman sa negosyo, pati rin sa personal na buhay, ay nagkakaroon po tayo ng changes every single time. Katulad po dito sa Japan, nagbabago ang season, nagbabago ang paligid. Ganun rin po sa negosyo at sa buhay. Nagbabago po ang trends. When I say trends, ano ba yung nauuso? Nagbabago po ang mga wants at saka yung mga needs ng mga clients, ng mga potential business partners. So it's really important for us to adapt to the change, di ba? Importante rin po na habang nagbabago po yung mga tao at saka yung mga bagay sa paligid natin, nagbabago rin po tayo with them. Kasi 'di ba, we need to have the change. Kasi ngayon po, pagka po hindi ka nagbago or hindi ka nag-evolve papunta dun sa your full potential, ang mangyayari po sa atin, magiging stagnant po tayo. Like, ganun rin po sa buhay. Like me, ako po ay teacher ngayon, and I'm really grateful na meron akong opportunity to teach kids, and meron akong opportunity to be able to share my knowledge to the kids. But I want more in life. That's why I'm doing this. I want to be able to earn more, because we all know, kahit sa lupalop naman ng mundo, ang mga teachers po, they're one of the most what I call this, isa sa mga noble jobs. Because for me, teacher is a calling. Hindi po madaling mag-teacher, and you will be exposed to a lot of like kids, a lot of like adults. Ren, hindi lang naman sa bata, you will be exposed to a lot of people, and at iba't iba po silang mga tawag dito, mga iba't ibang personality. So para sa akin po, it's a calling. Parang ano siya, hindi siya basta-basta, mahirap maging teacher. And with that, ang alam po natin ng really undersalaried or hindi po ganun kalaki ang sweldo ng mga teachers. I'm gonna speak in behalf of the teachers also in the Philippines. Alam naman po natin yung mga teachers sa Pilipinas, hindi like kailangan po talaga nila ng mas malaking sweldo sa responsibilidad na ginagawa nila. Also me, I want more in life because I have big dreams, I have big goals, kaya ako po ginagawa ito. Hindi ko po nakitang nagiging milyonaryo ako sa pagiging teacher. That's why I'm putting myself here and trying to be a entrepreneur. Meron pong train na dumaan sa likod ko. So yun po, commercial lang po. Medyo maingay. Commercial. Napakaganda po dito. So, I will give you po 3 benefits po. It's what is the advantage, so ano ang maganda kung nag-e-evolve tayo or nag-a-adapt tayo sa changes. Lakad po tayo. Ito pong lugar na to, medyo maingay. Hindi ko napansin na merong train na naglalakad doon sa likod ko. So yun po, Let's go. Ano ba ang first benefit if you are adapting to change? Number one, you are going to maintain competitiveness. When I say maintain competitiveness, kasi nga po, yung mga competitor or yung mga iba pong mga negosyo, parehas po silang nag-e-evolve rin po sila. Pagka hindi ka nag-evolve at hindi ka nag-adjust sa mga panibagong needs, panibagong wants ng inyong kliyente, may iwan ka. Makakalimutan ka ng mga potential clients mo, may iwanan ka ng mga potential customers mo, pupunta sila sa mga nagbabago ng yung sa mga nag-a-adapt. So it's really important. It's really important to adapt and change. It will maintain competitiveness po. And number two, ito po yung ginagawa natin ngayon, it drives growth. It drives growth. Kasi we all know na when we are putting ourselves into new territories, when we are putting ourselves in new situation, lumalabas po tayo sa comfort zone. And then going outside your comfort zone, you are growing. You're actually learning new things. Like I do right now, yung pong pagla-live na to, I don't do this before. Now that I'm putting myself in uncomfortable situation, medyo nagiging comfortable na po ako in talking in front of the camera. And I have good intention, and why am I doing this? Yun po. And on the third one, it prepares for long-term success. This is really true kasi if you are adapting and if you are changing for the better of your business or for the better of your life, you will go a long way. You are setting up yourself for success in the long run because you are trying to get ready. You are trying to build your character, to build your values, to build your skills na ibibigay sa inyo ng future. So yun po ang pinaka-importante na 3 benefits na kaya kong ibigay sa inyo. Number 1, let's just do a quick recap. Number 1, it maintain competitiveness because if you are changing, you are becoming new every single time. So that means you are being more competitive, lalo na if you have competitors. Pangalawa, it drives growth. Diba? If you are adapting to change, you are trying new stuff, gumagawa po tayo ng mga panibagong bagay na hindi natin ginagawa dati. Ang ginagawa po nun is, it drives growth. Lalo po tayong natututo, lalo po tayong lumalaki as a person, at lalo po tayong nagkakaroon ng panibagong kaalaman. And number 3, it prepares for long-term success. Yes, like me, I'm adopting right now because a lot of people are doing this kind of business because number 1, kaya po maraming gumagawa nito is number 1 is legitimate business and marami na pong yumaman dito. Kaya marami pong sumusubok. Yun po yung isa sa mga indication na makikita natin if the business is really working. Kung maraming gumagawa, that means marami po kasing nagsasucceed. Kaya po marami pong gumagawa. And this, what I do is I'm adapting to the change. I'm adapting for me to be able to stand out. I'm giving value every single day for the people that wants to open up the business. So yun po, I hope that I added value to your life. I hope that I added value to your afternoon. Yun naman po ang intention ng ating live video. Ang intention of this video is for me to be able to share this amazing opportunity for the people like you na gusto magbukas ng negosyo while practicing and learning what it takes to become a successful entrepreneur and also unlocking our full potential po through personal development. Ayun po, maraming salamat. Bago po ako magpaalam, quick look po dito sa Mita, Tokyo. Yun po, maraming salamat. I'll see you guys again for my next live, which is tomorrow. Peace. Thank you po.